Over Mahama. One more pump for Yedamasi. Yedamasi. Over Mahama. One more pump for Yedamasi. Yedamasi, you any beer, Modiama, or my Ghana for ma. What beer ye need? Mammy who sent and Torosa for Kutamo. Na my idea. Na Sabia, we see Sabia song. Said ye, Nenchie, ni Bodiano, Ancanatono. Young Mahama anchor and some Mahibia, why? They say, see, Dico, and Chana Fiaba, na cat 3 years. When you made the Yebicha. Papa Moo Bonimu, you made the Yebicha. Set one, or buy, I was say, Nanado assessor tax, a year so. Now I buy any money, and I see levy wet him, at the Yeben, wet him, bear 10 tax wet him. Then I'd ready by the chain. Mebois. I feel the most of them, what they are said, the sports a levy. Aha, oh, come on. Some matters are cafobi. I don't some other baba bay. Matters is saying some bo levy sober. Oh, I saw them now born somewhere by your tax. Ubika some chill, not all born some swear by your tax and on sober. When you say a home levy sober. Oh, home, 1, 2 be a room to between a home tax and on sober anymore. And you see funeral levy so more day back. I want also, yes, matters here some more day back. But I want to see some years why I see a bit here. Why? Say the man here be na Ghana mama was a mama dream be chantro so who say a nipa we am na ka say ntro no twame sama hu yetimi atugala msa ama say ya mo ya sase hu bi fie ya me gina ho am ye video mani bebam so ni atu ase nyina na msense soro hwe dia ye rainways kwan na Sam George sori a na DSTV enu ane wam di kikiri na memo ma ye say na ni tirisa betie kube tiri basa sakola ketu osifunu no edan wa ye ne ho so ye bodyguard so ye de banyu na ye de ye nka hwe why ye nka obi a hwe na nchenche bi aso e wona fe timu sisa hu ye so na Ghana fo no ya huma wi no enye adwuma na wedie no enye na home kakra na asi enye wa adwen se obi a de Ghana fo adwene jimi tunsu de ye be jimi bi wate na asi a wo bon mu se hwanhwani me mfa nhye wutiri mu da so obi a de Ghana fo ojimi etu na asi nso de ye Ghana fo nso ye be jimi bi oye ordinary ntini keke ya wo ana akobọ nkwase anyum bi ana asesa atoyefo aso okwose se omu firi binimu so okwose se omu firi hu omu tantan wo didi kura na ahwe crepe no kura na abuafu eda mu begina ho ena Mahama galam say ye be ye adwuma na wa na kan wo bo anyum no si galam say mu be ye adwuma afede wa betena ho asa change hu afatare foforo ahye abejan uzika upenti yenwu enye sa de ni bibiem enye wa adwen so de Ghana fo adwen be di agro na wo ye ordinary numtuni keke wotimi mfe enjimi hu na mekan besi NDC die Yesu kura na atamu firi soro edua besi asasi na do hu kobọ wo mo pe na sabi wadane obi a entro aza konkonsa na ahye wo ma wona asi nka wonwom a wo bọ no ene na favor wa no pay you wonwum mitia a emede because me musician eti na favor nka asem a wo bete ne wo asuma no pay no kai so du tiri konu birim sho hu ye wa bete ne wenye uzika wu penti yenwu wo ka se galam se fo be ye adwuma no na ase wo mo be ye ni wo bi botom na wo se wo mo be ye galam se ni wo mbotom ene me de afiriw na beto so mienu ubehu se dim su ben sitie
Ebusiam ne woka say the minister edema labor any employment Dr. Rashid Papo say NDC aban ne ba ye ne bosumi nkuro ne omunti omo ministers ne ka ente minister mpo ne ntua ne ka de a ene na wo ne esne teacher ni eyezu me say kofo ye no they are not spending no they are not spending that is the reason why ntia wadwun will say the numbers are showing say the inflation are dropping but still near that so boy in your market dollar no 12 13 but still things are expensive because this government is not spending. Even their ministers, they are not paying them. And let me tell you, Parliament, when you say Speaker of Parliament, are joining Parliament indefinitely. So you see, according to information, so this government is actually not spending and they are not ready to spend. I don't know. Me nurses teachers for me because this government is not ready to spend a dime on you guys, and it's very, very, very sad. It's very, very sad. So people be juma 10 months, 9 months, 12 months, 11 months. Now one see the crowd nyaye. How do you expect that person to eat, to pay their bills? Government, yes, sir, will pay these people. If you don't want to pay your minister, that is your own problem. But pay our sisters and our brothers, our men as teachers. Enough is enough. Pay them now. Ebusiamene ka say there why you staff the better one thing say Bosumi Dunia omo adwuma John Dramani Mahama from January to October ye omo anya de omo tu omo ka omo kire mo say omo bi won omo depend omo yere any jobs nkitinkiti bi so omo yeden omo de survive. Mr. John Dramani Mahama aban no oya aban na trimu odin a on dwene timamfo ne ho next 10 months omo kasa ne ministers kra no ontu omo ka omo kasa ne ministers o 9 months ni ontu omo ka ye ontu teachers for ka ontu nurses for ka. Why ye? But in telling nam nansem hunu na de bia na ofan kofo adwum or staffs continue to am kana mo from adwum there. Munsuma mo ho because I'm telling you on authority say it's going to be 2 good years. I'm just taking you back to 2013 to a year 2016. Go and ask the record and it will show you that for 3 years you bet you 3 months and this is what is about to repeat itself again. And unti so your government we ka fashe otrimu say the wicked government no in a wa mu na wicked government no John Dramani Mahama na edi omanim no there is no way wo no woni beje na do dan kwakwa na so ye wicked no mo ye adwuma na motifie covid time amokotena fie be ya afi otua moka papa na so the trimu efo ni mom no wo wicked a wo play wo munya ho hwe. This is part of the resetting. We are resetting everything. Etimunya to boase ekombe demo ekombe demo munya ho hwe e be akra se mokokọ loan na mo de didi moa ebusuya wonim say how na drusu edo to the parliament say free education no ebe ya yemo mo betimi etua no entua na omo mo ntimi ntua no enko ni free ti asem odi to dwa.
And Mr. Speaker, my controversial point, Ghana needs a means test. A means test to determine who can pay, who cannot pay, and who can pay for education. This political thing of wanting to please everybody at the detriment of quality.
How na Idrusu Minister for Education Amotene cannot say free education no. Omo mo betimi atua no. Yemo mo ntua na omo mo ntimi ntua no mo ni free. Sa nipa we education minister e wo se wo tia se de enti ende. Ye di bi mo atoto day a o tia kan ma de day okuma ase temale no wale no because omo ni free education na ade omo pese omo ye. Eti omo ya kan ko matwem but omo nim se mo twem a Ghana for be kasa enti no. See ya na ebe ye mo nti we no starting of the omo nkasa no omo de ano kan